This is a short tutorial to get you acquainted with dingbats and how to use them. Dingbats are basically art elements that exist within the collection of a font. And you can use them a lot of different ways, and this is just to get you acquainted with how you would do that. I'm going to demonstrate using this font, which is called Flora Deco, that I got for free, downloading it through this site, dafont.com. So basically, you could have any copy at all in a text box. I'm an illustrator, obviously. And if you highlight that and then go over for my properties, it's defaulting to Myriad. But I'm going to get rid of that and just start to type in FLO, and there it is, Flora Deco. So now I'm going to get rid of everything but that first area, which actually did assign one of the characters in that Dingbat font. And here's what you do. You go up to type and you go down to glyphs. And that then opens up a keyboard to show you all the offerings that are available in that font. So let's say you want randomly pick one, tulip, double click, and it pops it in there. Now, if you want to use this as a design element, all you have to do is go up to Type and Create Outlines. And now you have this dingbat turned into actually an object. And if you look into Outline View, you can see, sure enough, that's an outlined object. So basically, you can go to a lot of different sites online. As I said, this came from Dafont, and look in the category of dingbats. And by applying this basic step, you can make available to yourself a lot of different design elements that can be useful when you're creating a design.